दुसरो विषय म्हळ्यार आतां कोंकणीन एक म्हण आसा की वाग म्हळ्यारय खाता आनी वागोबा म्हळ्यारय खाता म्हूण. तुमचे फाटले 2-3 दीस तशेंच जालें?
म्हाजो तसो विशय काय जावंक ना. वाग पळोवपाक हांव 14-15 वरां I am a passionate wildlife photographer. I know that I made a mention to you that I don't know, somebody was talking to me that on your channel only they were asked, I was saying that a lot of people have been trolling and doing several things. I have not said anything wrong. I am a member of the assembly from the Walpoi assembly constituency. Today I met Subhash Phaldesai also. Subhash Phaldesai also said that, you know, the decisions of forest is applicable to him also in Sangay constituency. Ultimately, all of us who represent these areas where wildlife sanctuary, let me tell you, wildlife sanctuary was declared by General Jacob in 1999, 4th June 1999, without objections and suggestions. As a result of which there are villages in those areas which have not yet been rehabilitated or settled in different areas. Goa is very small. I have been to wildlife sanctuaries which are 17,000 square kilometers. And as a result of which, these are the huge wildlife sanctuaries. I have seen the management of these wildlife. We have got Mahavir, we have got wildlife sanctuary, we have Kotigaon. Not a single citizen from Goa goes to visit those sanctuaries. What are we doing with those sanctuaries? We have to ensure that the management of those parks is done in a professional manner. I never said anything wrong. Many times somebody mentioned that the tiger doesn't know its boundary. I know what I'm talking. I know that there's a wildlife.
Non-resident tiger.
बरोबर आहे.
मीम्सय झाले आणि टिकाय झाली.
मीम्स झाले, टीका झाले म्हणून म्हाका माझे तकलीर काय परिणाम जायना. I am a responsible minister in this government and I have to see that the interest of the people is protected. Same way the forest is protected. I didn't say anything wrong. What I said is that there are many times corridors. The tigers come through those corridors, and not only that, you go to Ranthambore, along the tiger corridors, the infrastructure of road network is created. I talked to several forest field directors, park directors, understand how the forest is done, management of the park is done, movement of the tigers. Like when one tiger is taken from me, when the density increases and put there, then how does he get adjusted to that particular habitat? Ultimately, that habitat here is not suitable. But as a result of which, there's a lot of work that needs to go in. My challenge here is that I know there's a lot of people have different views on what I am saying. But then I have to look at the interest of the people of my constituency and people situated in the Western Ghat, because there's a lot of fear. They feel that wildlife sanctuary came, they had a lot of problems. They feel if the tiger reserve comes, that they'll have major problems. Let me tell you, there are a lot of issues pertaining to core and buffer, and there are a lot of layers there to the tiger reserve. Whether Goa has that type of space. Second thing, no file on my table has come pertaining to that. Even if a census has to be done, it's totally different from a survey. And even if a survey is done, we will bring some retired officials and monitor it.
तुमचे वाघाकडेन कोतरपण ना. तुमको कॉरिडोर कोता येता. पण हॅबिटेट नाका.
ना हायन कायच सांगू ना. I am asking you a question. If there is no
वाघाकडेन कोतरपण ना.
No. What I am trying to tell you is that there is a natural corridor in the Western Ghat. Movement of tiger is always along that corridor. That is how it is established. Many times when I use the word transitory, people try to say that word cannot be used in terms of the terminology of the tiger and movement of the tiger. I am not a new person. I spend a lot of time on wildlife. I am a person who sits in these sanctuaries and understands what's happening there. I am not come suddenly from top and become forest minister and making this statement. People's interest, सगळ्यात पहिली लोकांचो interest म्हाका protect करूंक जाय. People and the forest department and the people have to coexist. लोकांची उत्पन्न फॉरेस्ट लँडान ते उत्पन्न लोकांक घेवपाची संधी गावंक जाय. ह्यो सगळ्या गोष्टीचे आमच्या लोकांक, सांग्याच्या लोकांक, तरेतरेचे गोंयाचे प्रत्येक भागान लोकांचो जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जाता फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट कडेन, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट माझ्या टेन्युरान जावचो ना. And forest officials will not come in the way of the citizens. That is my guarantee I will give you.
पण रानाय सालवार जावनी.
नाही, सालवार करपाक म्हणूनच तुमकां हांवें पयर सांगलें. माझे on my Twitter it has come that I want to get retired IFS officers here, who I am also talking to Mr. Shashi Kumar, who is there in Dehradun in the Forest Research Institute, so that we can get some officials here who can help us. Bondla also has to be upgraded. It is not only upgraded by spending money. Concept has to come forward as to how we are going to make it into a vibrant place where people go and visit. Similarly, Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. थंय कसले ग्रास तुम्ही घालता, कसलो तुम्ही थंय फ्रूट बेरिंग ट्रीज घालता, त्या आधाराचेर तो बायसन थंय will go and feed there. I have seen gurs in Madhya Pradesh and in Rajasthan and many other places in wildlife parks, how they are restrained, they are within that wildlife park. They don't go into the villages and other things because that much effort has gone in to see that those type of fruit bearing trees or that type of particular variety of grass is grown within that, and they have grazing lands which are developed by the forest department. Yes, and not only that, I will send you on WhatsApp when they want to check what is the type of grass variety that they want to plant, so that it doesn't damage the forest in any other way. हे सगळे हांवें पळयला, ह्यो सगळे गोष्टी गोंयान करपाची गरज आहा, and it is not easy. But luckily now this is the beginning of the term. There are a couple of things which you can engage into activities and do camping sites in these forests and promotion of ecotourism. And what is the rule the officer was telling me?
But sir, you are telling me one thing very categorically.
नाही एकूच सांगता, कॅम्पिंग साइट्स तुम्ही जर केले आणि ते कम्युनिटीक हँडओव्हर केले, ते कम्युनिटी योग्य तरेचे ट्रेनिंग आमी दिले, ह्यो सगळे प्रोविजन आसा फॉरेस्ट एक्टान. फॉरेस्टाची जमन्यो फॉरेस्ट करून दवरपाचे ना. यू मस्ट एन्जॉय द फॉरेस्ट ऑल्सो. आय एम बी रेस्ट अश्युअर्ड दॅट नो टायप ऑफ इलिगल एक्टिविटी विल बी अलाउड एज फार एज फॉरेस्ट इज कन्सर्न, or any kind of action will be taken by me to divert forest.
Sir, you are making it one thing very clear. If at all there comes a file on your table which says tiger habitat or tiger reserve, you are going to outrightly reject it.
I never said reject it. I am saying that my interest of the people has to be protected. People's interest in Western Ghat areas has to be protected. Second thing is, when the file comes, the file has to have all the facts and evidences of making me move this file forward. The file has to be justifiable.
Are you conceptually for tiger habitat or against it?
No, I must get a file which says that Goa has tigers here, resident tigers in the state of Goa in the sanctuary.
तुम्ही परत ते resident tiger म्हणाले माई घे मीम्स येतात. गोंयकारांमधली क्रिएटिव्हिटी जागी जाता.
एक गोयकार करिना, ठराविक लोक करता, आणि ते ठराविक लोकांक राजकारणान भितर सरा म्हणून सांगा, आनी पॉलिसी मेकर जायात आनी पॉलिसी करा. जोपर्यंत म्हाका ताकद आहे पॉलिसी करपाक, योग्य तरेची पॉलिसी एक्सपर्ट एडवायस घेवन ती फायल जर आयली 10 लोकांक विचारूनच हांव ते फायल मूव करतलो. पण एकूच लक्षात घ्या की इट हॅज टू बी त्या फायलीन योग्य तरेचे जस्टिफिकेशन आसूंक जाय ह्यो गोष्टी करपाक.
Okay.
विदाउट एनी जस्टिफिकेशन, बी रेस्ट अश्युअर्ड, आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू इवन लुक एट इट.